Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt.
Let's pretend that ndiyahlalisana. So well.
Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over.
Yeah.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly.
Whew. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, okay. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please do the right thing and subscribe. Welcome to yet another vlog. I'm doing everything wrong. Oh my god. So today I am going to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. So you guys are gonna come with me. I might vlog this weekend and then start another vlog on Monday. So yeah, as you can tell from the clips before, I woke up and did my laundry. Yay me, purr. So yeah, my outfit is still drying outside, so whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then we will be quickly doing my edges. I'm using the, what's this, Styling Dreads gel. I know it looks good right now, but by the time I get to the mall, baby, my hair will be laughing right in my face. But you know what? I can't say we didn't try. Good enough.
I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly.
and to make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play.
I got body wash, same body lotion, body mist, and a feminine cleanser. So when you buy the feminine cleanser, you get the cleansing bar for free. So yay me. And then I got this hydrating and brightening face mask. And then I got a hand lotion, hand cream. I'm obsessed with the scent, so I'm going crazy. Literally. It's giving way back. But you know what? It's okay. I got micellar water. I also got foundation from Essence. And then I got a glow serum primer, Essence. And then I got my goat, this primer. Perfect. That's all I got from Clicks. Oh my god, I dropped my ring. Okay, I'm gonna find it later. And then the reason I'm stressed, I got sneakers. I got sneakers. So it's the next day. Last night I had my sister over. So like leave again. Oh my god, my eye. Then I'm cap. And I was gonna get a few things. Like a few things for real. Tell me why. But yeah, now that we're here, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Sneaker socks. It's a pack of 3. And then I got a chopping board from Pep. It's like a mini, cute little mini thingy. And then I got this holder for toothbrushes because I'm tired of using my toiletry bag in the bathroom, and it's only me and my roommate, so I'm just gonna like pretend that I bought this for like a couple thingy. Let's pretend that ndiyahlalisana. So well. And then I got this for my bedside table / study desk. It's a drawer. I want my things to not be scattered, so let me like open it because I'm strong, guys. I don't know this unparanged. The noise is the water running in the bath tub because I want to take a long bath because we have load shedding and I have 1 hour to kill. And then after that I am meal prepping, so I obviously need man to meal prep. So I'm gonna use the stove. It's like a drawer thingy. Still not sure but I'm gonna find a use for it. Who's going back and the thing is into unnecessarily I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. But anyways, child. My things won't be scattered. And then I got these for meal prepping plastic bags. And then I got this also for meal prepping. I wanted a bigger one, but this will do. I'm gonna have chicken and mince. And then I got a salt basket. And then I got a peeler. Pink! Ooh. That will be all. So I'm gonna go take a bath and then we're gonna meal prep together. Ooh, so close. I am back and I have a gel mask thingy going on my face. I have decided that we will start with the bathroom. I will clean and organize the bathroom because I realized that no. Yeah, I sunny pillows. So that's where we're gonna start. This is what it looks like. So dirty. So dirty.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Everything's clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play.
Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who.